Hello, my friends. Betty here with Carblessly Delicious Low Carb Recipes. Welcome to part 4 of my 5-part Thanksgiving series. In today's video, we're making our very own cranberry sauce. That's right, guys. Thanksgiving dinner wouldn't be complete without it. So let's get to cooking, guys, shall we? Meet me in the kitchen. Hey there, my lovely friends. As always, all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. Yes, guys, we are making our very own cranberry sauce for the holidays. Cranberries are loaded with healthy nutrients and antioxidants, which makes them a powerful superfood that we need to eat so much more than only on the holidays. It strengthens the immune system, relieves urinary tract infections, lowers blood pressure, and the risk of certain cancers. But we wouldn't be able to do that with the cranberry sauce packaged in these little cans that most of us grew up on. Read your labels, guys. Anytime you see the words like high fructose or corn syrup, that's interpreted as tons of unwanted sugar. 24 grams of it tucked into these little cans, which is really unnecessary for them to contaminate something that's otherwise so healthy for us. 27 grams net carbs versus only 4 grams of net carbs of our homemade version. We'll achieve the sweetness we need by adding 1 cup of Allulose keto-approved sweetener that won't impact your insulin blood sugar levels, along with 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Stir and allow to cook over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until your cranberries pop open. Cranberries are naturally rich in pectin, which becomes water soluble when it's heated. This gives us that gel consistency when it cools and sets. See here, our cranberries are starting to pop open. As we continue to leave these cooking, the excess water is going to evaporate more and the sauce will naturally thicken up. Zest 1 whole orange. Some recipes actually include orange juice, but if you're watching your sugar intake or following the keto diet, you'd want to avoid the natural sugars that are contained in oranges, so zesting the orange peel will add enough flavor that we need for this recipe. As you can see here, our sauce is thickening nicely. Ooh-wee, yes! Now, if you prefer the whole berry style cranberry sauce, you can actually stop right here, guys, and transfer your berries into an airtight container and simply chill before serving. But for those of us who were raised up on that jellied cranberry sauce from the can, in that case, we're going to go ahead and allow our cranberries to continue boiling so that the cranberries can release a little more of its pectin. And then, guys, I'll show you the next step we need to do to get that gel mold-like cranberry sauce. Okay, guys, for this final step, we'll need a large bowl to separate the sauce from the skin. To do this, we're going to use a full mill to make this a simple process. If you don't have a full mill on hand, you can pretty much get the job done with a strainer and a spoon to smash the sauce through. This will be more time consuming, but it works. Or if you really want to keep this recipe simple and effortless, I'll put the link in the description for you below. As you see here, the sauce is sifting through into our bowl. Time to create our mold. Whatever container or jar you transfer your sauce into, that's the shape you'll have. For the sake of this video, we're only preparing 1 12-ounce bag of cranberries, so I'll be using these small square-shaped bowls for my mold. But guys, you can get as creative as you like. Here are some ideas for beautiful shapes you can go with. Free your creativity to make your holiday as elegant as you like, and go for some of these awesome silicone jello molds out there for you. It'll give you that burnt effect, or you can keep it as simple as you like and go with the style that we're used to, and you can get the tin cans to get that effect. I saved half of the cranberry so I can also serve the whole cranberry style. I happen to like them both, and you can give your guest a variety to choose from. Let your cranberry sauce cool at room temperature first. Chilling it too quickly may affect the gel texture. Guys, go ahead and make your own cranberry sauce. It is so delicious and extremely more healthier for you to reap all the nutritional and health benefits of cranberries without the unhealthy additives contained in the store-bought products. And I promise you guys, you're gonna love it, and so will your family and friends. I would love to know what you guys are whipping up in the kitchens for this holiday. In the comments, let me know what you have on your menus for this Thanksgiving. And guys, simply clicking on that like button, it tells YouTube algorithm that this video has value and that others can benefit from healthy nutrition. Guys, if you just click that like button, go ahead and do it now. YouTube will do the rest in making sure that this video is shared and recommended to many others. I really appreciate that, guys. And listen, enjoy the holidays, congregate with your families, eat healthy, be blessed. Until the next video, make sure that you click over here to catch up on all the videos to this 5-part series. I look forward to seeing you guys. God bless you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.